Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video we have solved some examples for exercise number 2.4. Now we will solve exercise number 2.4 and the question number 1 is use laws of exponents to simplify. Okay, and the first part is 243 raised to power minus 2 by 3, 32 raised to power minus 1 by 5 divided by square root 196 raised to power minus 1. Okay, first of all we keep all the power in positive term. Okay, so we can write this 196 square root, because this is minus in the denominator and I can write it positive in the numerator. Okay, and this will become 243 raised to power 2 by 3 and 32 raised to power 1 by 5. Okay, now we know that 196 is equals to 14 multiplied by 14. 243 is, okay, first of all see 196 how it is equals to 14 multiplied by 14. Factorize it simply. 2 9s are 18 and 2 8s are 16. Okay, 2 4s are 18 and 2 9s are 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So this will become 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Okay, so I can say this is 7 multiplied by 2 and 7 multiplied by 2 and this is 14 multiplied by 14. Okay, that's why I write 14 multiplied by 14. Like this I can write 243. Okay, so 243 will be equals to 243. Okay, 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, so this will be equals to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 by 3, and this will becomes 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 by 5. Okay, so this will become 14 square and square root, and this will become, sorry there is less space, so I will write here. Okay, this will become 14 square. Okay, and I can separate 2 part and 3 part. This will become 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3 and whole power 2 by 3, and this will become 2 raised to power 5 and whole power 1 by 5. So it will be equals to, this square and square root will be cancelled because the power of square root is equals to 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 it means 2 cancelled by 2 and this is only 1. So I can write here only 14. This will become 3 square whole power 2 by 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3 and whole power 2 by 3, and this 5 will be cancelled with this. Okay, so this is 14 divided by 3 raised to power 2 2s are 4, so 3 raised to power 4 by 3 multiplied by this 2 put as it is. Okay, so this cancel with this, so this becomes 2 square, sorry 3 square. So it will be equal to, this 2 and 14 can be cancelled, so 2 sevens are 14. Here put 7 and in denominator it will be equals to, it is 3 raised to power 4 by 3 and it is 3 square. So I can write this 4 by 3 as 3 raised to power 3 plus 1 divided by 3, okay, and multiplied by 3 square. How can I write 4 plus 1 by 3, and why I can write 3 plus 1? Because divide 4 by 3, this will become 3 ones are 3 and 4 minus 3 is equals to 1, okay. So I can say that this is the 1th part, 3 plus 1 by 3, okay. This will be equals to 3 raised to power 3 and plus 1 by 3, okay. I can separate this, so this will become 3 raised to power 3 by 3 plus 1 by 3 multiplied by 3 square, okay, and this will be equals to, this cancel 3 by this, so this will be equals to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 by 3 and multiplied by 3 square, and this will be equals to 7 divided by 3, this 3 square and this is 3, because the base is same, so 2 plus 1 is 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 by 3, here the base is also same, so I can say that this is equals to 3 cube multiplied by 3 radicals of 3, okay. So 7 divided by 3 cube means 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27, 27 this, and this is the simplification of the question number 1, first part of question number 1, and this is the answer, okay. We will solve the question as it is it cannot be solved as much, okay, and this is the final answer. So this is the question number first part of question number 1, okay. Now we will move toward the second part, and the second part is 2 raised to power 2 into x raised to power 5 and y raised to power minus 4 into minus 8 x raised to power minus 3 and y square, okay. Take all the constant separate and the x variable and y variable together. So this will become x raised to power 5 and x raised to power minus 3 and y raised to power minus 4 and y square. So it will be equals to minus 16 and x raised to power 5 minus 3, because the base is same, so power will be add, and y raised to power minus 4 plus 2, okay. It will be equals to minus 16, 5 minus 3 is x square and minus 4 plus 2 is y raised to power minus 4, because we take all the power in positive term, in positive exponent, so we can say that minus 16 into x square divided by y square, this is the answer of second part, okay. Likewise we will solve the next part. The next part is x raised to power minus 2 y raised to power minus 1 and z raised to power minus 4 divided by x raised to power 4, y raised to power minus 3 and z raised to power 0 and whole power minus 3. Okay. First of all, we take all the variables together. Okay, all same variables together, and this is x raised to power minus 2 and this is x raised to power 4, so it will become x minus 4. Okay, y raised to power minus 1 and it will become y raised to power 3, because here the power is negative. When I will write it in the numerator, it will be positive. Okay, here it is equals to z raised to power minus 4 and we know that z raised to power 0 is equals to 1, so only multiplied it 1 and whole power is minus 3. Okay, so it will become x raised to power minus 2 and minus 4, y raised to power minus 4 plus 3 and z raised to power minus 4 and whole power minus 3. So it will become x raised to power minus 6, y raised to power 2 and z raised to power minus 4. Okay, and here whole power is minus 3. Multiply now, separate the whole power. It will become x raised to power minus 16 into minus 3, y raised to power 2 into minus 3 and z raised to power minus 4 and whole power is minus 3. Okay, so it will becomes x raised to power minus 6 multiplied by minus 3, y raised to power 2 multiplied by minus 3 and z raised to power minus 4 multiplied by minus 3, and it will becomes x raised to power 18, y raised to power minus 6 and z raised to power 12. Okay, so because we write the answer in positive exponent, so it will become x raised to power 18, z raised to power 12 divided by y raised to power 6, and this is the answer of third part. Okay, we only simplify the terms, simplify the question. Okay, and this is the third part of question number 1. Now we will move toward the fourth part, and the fourth part is 81 raised to power n 3 raised to power 5 minus 3 raised to power 4n minus 1 into 243 divided by 9 raised to power 2n into 3 raised to power 3. Okay, so I know that 81 is equals to 3 raised to power 4 and whole power n, 3 raised to power 5 minus 3 raised to power 4n minus 1, and this is 3 raised to power 5 divided by, this is 9 and I can write it 3 square and whole power 2n, and this is 3 cube. So it will be equals to 3 raised to power 4n plus 5 minus 3 raised to power 4n minus 1 plus 5 divided by 3 raised to power 4n plus 3, because 2 to the 4 it will become 4n and it is 3, so it will become 4n plus 3. Okay, three raised to power 4n plus 3 plus 2. Okay, I can write 5 in these two digits. Here is the minus 3 raised to power 4n plus 4 divided by 3 raised to power 4n plus 3. Okay. Here the smallest power is 3 raised to power 4n plus 3. That's why I can write 4n plus 3 plus 2. Okay, because I want to separate these power. So it will becomes 3 raised to power 4n plus 3 plus 2 minus 3 raised to power 4n plus 3 plus 1 divided by 3 4n plus 3. Okay. It will be equals to 3 raised to power 4n plus 3 multiplied by 3 square, because if the base is same and the power will be add, so if the power will be add, I can separate the base. Okay. So it will becomes 3 raised to power 4n plus 3 multiplied by 3 and divided by 3 raised to power 4n plus 3. Now take common as 3 raised to power 4n plus 3, and here will be remaining is 3 square plus 3 minus 3 divided by 3 raised to power 4n plus 3. This will be cancelled with this. Here 3 square is 9, so 9 minus 3 is equals to 6, and this is the answer of fourth part of question number 1. So here the first question is complete, and inshallah we will solve the next question of exercise number 2.4 in our next video. Allah Hafiz.